Hey y'all, I am back with another video. Hey, hey y'all, I am back with another video. If you are new, my name is Avrel and this is Home with a Naturalista.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey y'all, so I am back with yet another video. Happy Vlogmas number 11. And today is a special day, a very, very special day. And yes, the number one fashionista, my boo, my everything, my sister in my head, Riri went ahead and dropped some new Prada that was available as of yesterday. So I went ahead and had to get my hands on it. And yes, I'm sure you know, and I'm sure you clicked on it because you want to see these pigments, boo. Yes, I went ahead and got the Gloss Bomb creams, y'all, all 5 colors. I'm actually wearing the cookie jar. I'm kind of thinking it's my favorite right now, but I wanted to go ahead and basically swatch and go ahead and try on all 5 colors so you guys can go ahead and make a decision on what you may want. We may be the same complexion and shade, so I'm making it easier for you, boo. So you don't have to go ahead and buy all 5. You just buy the color that you seem fit for yourself. So let's get into it. Now, I have to say, I do not have the lip glosses. But when I seen these, I'm like, I will get more use out of this than the lip glosses because of all the shimmer. But these bad boys right here, we went ahead and picked up all 5. All right, so just to let you know a few things, each lip gloss was $19. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and pulled you guys a little closer, and I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the honey waffles, y'all. And it's showing on the box that number 3, so I guess they numbered it as to, I don't know how it was made. I don't know, but honey waffles is number 3, and that's the one we are starting with. The bottle is super, super cute. Love the, of course, Fenty Beauty label. Love the FB. Very, very sleek and cute, y'all. So my lips are all clean, and we are going to go ahead. Basically, from what I read, these glosses are supposed to help to have fuller lips. It's also buildable. They also have a peach vanilla smell to them. As well as the fact that it's medium to full coverage. It's a gloss, but yet still has a tint. The pigmentation is amazing. It's more of a lipstick kind of, but it doesn't feel like a lipstick. It still feels like a gloss. I would definitely wear it with the 1 layer. It does say that these lip glosses are buildable and is very pigmented. So the more that you add, the more bam it will. All right, y'all, so next up we are going to go ahead and try number 1, which is the Mauve Wives. I absolutely love it. Any color like this just make me feel so girly, so I'm super excited to try. Keep in mind that it also says on the website that it is made with vitamin A, which helps to nourish the lips, so that's a plus. Let's go ahead and try the Mauve Wives, y'all. Ooh, it's a little minty. Love. All right, y'all, so this is the Mauve Wives. This gives me like a really girly look and feel, like a Barbie doll, kind of like a bubble gum kind of feel. I definitely will not put more on because I feel like it will look really too like white looking. Is coming off kind of funny in the camera to me, but in the mirror it looks really cute. I love the girly feel and the girly look. These colors are very like, they're very popular for a lot of women. It's like, it's pink, but yet it's still a nude pink, if that makes any sense at all. It feels like it's a little minty. It's like a little tingle on my lip. I don't know if it's because it's like just dry. My lips are dry, I'm talking about. But it is a little minty. The smell is really good. And as it says, it does have a peach vanilla smell. And it's non-sticky, which is a plus. I really, really like this color, y'all. I don't know. So far, I think I'm actually liking it better than the honey waffles. All right, y'all. So the next color we're going to go ahead and try is the number 2. That is the Fenty Glow. All right. So we're going to go ahead and test this out. It seems like it's in the pink family. It's just more of a plush pink to me. And the Mauve Wives is more of like a deeper pink. So let's go ahead and try. All right, y'all, so this is the color Fenty Glow. Now, this one is more of a lip gloss to me. It is more on the sheer side to me. And I do realize, like, I'm so afraid of, like, dipping it too much and putting too much on at the same time. I just want to give you guys, like, more of a natural look. So I'm not trying to do the buildable thing. I did see some videos on YouTube that there's some women that has done that. But I'm trying to stick to the nude side, being that it is a lip gloss, a gloss. Also, the difference with the cream compared to what the Gloss Bomb lip glosses are, there's no shimmer in these, which that's probably why I didn't get the lip glosses, because shimmer is not my thing. So I was very, very excited to go ahead and get these. All right, y'all, so the next color that we are going to go ahead and try is number 4, the Cookie Jar. Can I just say I absolutely love the names of these. Like, they're very different and very cute, just like Riri, you know what I'm saying? Like, she gotta keep it going. So I'm super excited to try this. I do not own anything brown, so let me go ahead and try this for you. This is really, really cute. This color is, one swipe is bam. I never tried on a lip that is in this brown family, and I'm actually really, really liking it. It's such a, it's like also another nude. Like, they're colors and they're pigmented, but they're still like nude. All right, y'all, so we are on the last color of the new Fenty Gloss Bomb creams, and this color is in the Fruit Snacks. Okay, this is number 5, y'all. So this is more of like a berry red, and we're going to go and try it out. All right, let's try it out, y'all. That's just one swipe. The pigment is ridiculous. Oh my God. I don't feel like I need a liner at all. It says a lot on its own. I really, really like this color, y'all. It's like, especially for the holidays, this is something I will definitely rock. But yo, y'all can't tell me this don't look good. Like, I mean, you can tell me, but I don't know if I'm gonna listen. All right, y'all, so I have no idea which one is my favorite. Go ahead and comment down below on which color you think looks the best on me. I mean, I know all of them does, you know what I'm saying? But you gotta pick one. And being that I have to pick one, well, I really don't have to, but I wanted to. But I do feel like the Cookie Jar, I get more pigment. I would have to like build the honey waffles, and if I want to, that's fine. But for the Cookie Jar, one swap, I'm good. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for checking out my video of trying and swatching the video. I was super excited, just as you are, because you went ahead and you're looking for all the videos on Fenty Gloss Bomb cream. I don't blame you. I had to run and go get me my set, y'all. Go ahead. It is $19 per bottle. Not bad. You do not have to buy all 5. You buy the color that best fits you and suits you, so you do not have to buy all 5. But I wanted to go ahead and just get all 5 to be able to show you guys what it does look like against my complexion for all colors. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell right next to that. That whenever I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first to know. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, home with a naturalista, no space. Home with a naturalista, no space. Thank you guys so much. I absolutely love, love, love these glosses. And no, I'm not biased because I love me some Rihanna. But thank you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.